Welcome all.
Another quarter's gone by and we're back.
So Karen, tell us what's happening with cash rates at the moment.
We are currently seeing rates that have increased from 2.6% to about 2.8% for a 6 and 7 month term. So I think there is some hope, which indicates that interest rates as a whole might be on the increase in the future. Chris, well, results to June 30 have been very pleasing, with clients receiving solid results.
Yes, they have been, Karen. To June 30, the average return of the Balanced Growth Fund, as by Morningstar, the independent research house that we subscribe to as a business partner, was 7.9%.
Okay.
Now, the Balanced Growth Fund holds a weighting of approximately 60% in growth assets, property and shares. The remaining 45% is in cash and fixed interest. Of course, we know cash has gone terribly, as mentioned, but the growth assets brought up the mean average to 7.9%. And fortunately, the bulk of our clients have received in excess of that.
Which we're pleased about.
Absolutely, absolutely. And one of the key reasons or ingredient for that is that diversity that we've spoken about and preached about over many years. And that's having exposure globally to markets such as
International,
US, Europe, as well as Asia. It is those areas that is actually going to provide further and good long-term growth, and that showed up to June 30 as well.
good. But overall, we're pleased with the results that we've had for this.
Just got some breaking news I wanted to share with you. That is that BT Westpac in the last week have announced the slashing of their administration fee for their superannuation portfolio or platform. So to put this in perspective, what we have is a retail fund now offering slashed costs, which will be comparable to industry funds. Industry funds, by average, charge a fee of administration plus investment management of around 0.8 to 1%. We now look at BT and Westpac. They have their 0.1 to 5 plus the investment management fee and the fixed cost on that. You're going to be in the same vicinity with a good quality diversified index fund of around that 0.8%. It's fantastic news for the investor, and it's going to set the scene for other fund managers in the future. And this has partly happened because of the Royal Commission, and it's something that JFP have been advocating for years. Reduce costs and fixed fees, and I bet you will find the industry will follow. Okay, Karen, tell me what's been happening on the JFP business front.
Well, we're very excited. We're trialling a new diary management system. It gives you the flexibility to choose a time that suits you with your own diary at home.
It's through feedback that our business can improve, whether it be good or bad.
And to do that, we're going to be sending out a questionnaire. It's a short questionnaire, no more than 3 minutes.
The good news about that survey that we'll be sending out in the coming month is that you will go into a competition.
Competition?
Yes, Karen, a share market competition. And they'll have the opportunity to win a great prize. Karen, what is that?
Oh, is it a trip?
No, it's great.
Is it?
$500 worth of quality wine. So.
We all like our wine, so please, when you get the survey, just if you can take a couple of moments to complete it and send it back, and you will go into this draw.
Absolutely.
To all our clients, thanks for your continued support. We go into another financial year, so all the best for this financial year. And if you've got any questions in the interim, email or phone us.
Good to see you again.
Yeah.
Let me start again. Karen.